Hi, this is Andrew from trainmyva.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find some do follow blogs where you can go and leave the comments, in return getting the backlinks to your website. So before we do that, we need to install a plugin where it will tell us whether it is whether all the links are either do follow or no follow. For us to do that, I want you to go to SEOquake, SEOQUAKE.com. And this is just a simple plugin that is available for free for either Google Chrome browser or the Mozilla Firefox. So in this case I'm using Google Chrome, so I'm gonna click here and install. We can pretty much do the same way for the Firefox browser as well. So now this is installed. Once you click on it, you will see that it has a check mark here where it says highlight no follow. What that means is, let's say I go to Google and search for a dog training blog. Let's say you are looking for blogs with dog training, and click on one of them, and you see, now I'm gonna click on the comments and see whether all these comments will allow the do follow links. But you realize a lot of these links are crossed out. There's this all these links that are crossed out means they are no follow. So SEOquake will just look at all these links and identify them as no follow link by crossing them out. So you can see better here. So I immediately realized that this blog does not allow us to leave the do follow link, so I am not particularly interested in this blog. So once now you learn that how to identify the difference between do follow and no follow. Now what we want to do is I'll show you how we can actually find the do follow blogs instead of just going simply by trial and error. There are better ways to find those blogs. So first one will be do followlist.com. Once you go to followlist.com, this is one of the websites that will give you a list of do follow blogs. So write that down, followlist.com, and depending on what niche that you're trying to promote your website on, so for example the dog training, and here let's say I click on this one here, and this blog here, as you can see, some of these you still have to check them whether they allow the do follow links. I look at the comments and here it goes. So all these links are left by some people who just left the comments, and then they are do follow links because it doesn't have a it is not crossed out. That means all these links are do follow links. So let's just check on one more to make sure. Again, here, dog obedience tips. So you can leave a pretty good links with a decent anchor text that you want to optimize for. So that's one way, which was followlist.com. Another way will be you can go to google.com and go to the images. So go to Google image search and type in quotation mark you comment I follow, and search for the images. And what this does is it will give you the links to a lot of the blogs that will actually promote the do follow links. So in this case, what I want to do is add a keyword with that, so that see what we can find. Maybe I'll just click on one of these, and this certainly is a blog, and see if it allows us to leave here. It allows us to leave all these do follow links. So that's another way of searching for the do follow links. So again, you can go to Google images search and you comment I follow. I have to remind you that if you just do a regular search on Google, it's probably not gonna work. You always have to go to image search and do you comment I follow with the any particular niche keyword that you want to optimize for. Thanks for listening. I'll see you in the next video.